In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to a board in Monday.com. Whether you're collaborating with your team or simply organizing your own tasks, adding files to your board can streamline your workflow, making your projects more efficient and effective. Let's start by getting onto your desired board. Once you're there, direct your attention to the far right column where you'll spot a small plus sign button. Clicking this button will bring up a drop-down menu. From the provided list, select the Files option. What this will do is create a new column specifically for file attachments on your board. Once this new Files column appears, you're all set to start adding files to specific items. To add a file, click inside the cell within this newly created Files column next to the item you wish to attach a file to. At this point, where Monday.com truly shines is in its flexibility. You'll be presented with several options for uploading your files. These options could include directly uploading from your computer or integrating with cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, depending on your setup. This ensures that no matter where your files are stored, you have a convenient way to integrate them into your projects. After your file is successfully uploaded, Monday.com offers several convenient features. First, you can preview your file directly from the board, making sure it's the correct document without having to download it. Should you need to make edits or share the file externally, you can easily download it from the board too. Additionally, one of the key strengths of Monday.com is its focus on collaboration. You aren't limited to just uploading files. You can engage with them by commenting directly on the files. This means you have the capacity to hold discussions, provide feedback, or even leave relevant notes, all linked to both the file and the accompanying task. And there you have it. You now know how to add files to a board in Monday.com, ensuring all your essential project resources are right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!